Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these super pretty folded style bows. I've done these in some really pretty spring colours, obviously this nice yellow and this really pretty lilac one, which is obviously in the 1-inch ribbon, and this is in 1.5-inch ribbon. I might try and work out the sizing for 3-inch ribbon as well. And in your 1.5-inch ribbon, you need 2 pieces at 42 centimetres, and I've already folded this side because it's exactly the same process on both sides, so I'll show you. And like I said, we don't want to overcomplicate it because the steps are hard enough to follow in some places without doing it twice and confusing ourselves. So, got a piece, 42 centimetres, heat sealed our ends in the blue clear bit of the flame. We've folded it in half and we've pinned it in the centre, and I've got an extra clip here to work as an extra pair of hands like on this one. So we want to take it, so we've got the first pin, and we want to make a triangle shape like so, so that this ribbon is down and this is what the back looks like. So if you've got this side, you're working on the back, you need to turn it over. We want to be working from this side. Okay, pick it up, and from where the edge of the ribbon is, so this bit, we want to fold it this way. So from here, fold it over, and this is the look you will have. Okay, then we want to take this from this corner, we want to bring that to there, so it's right at the point of that corner, and you get this look this side, and then turn it this way so you can use your guide again, using that edge again, so fold it across. So this is the look that you've got, and again this is your corner. You want to be taking this piece and again bringing that up so that that corner is there. So you've got this layer, and that's directly on top of that, like so, and this is the shape that you now have, and this is the front, and again this is what it will look like on the back. And take this side, fold that over that way, and then fold that one over that way, and with this, use this to get this so that your corners are all in alignment, like so. And then we want to fold this over very tight, maybe clip a second, and this one over, and again line everything up. The more lined it up it is, the better results you will have. So then you will have this, and then flip it over. You want to take this corner to this triangle, and this end to this one, and at the minute you'll see you've got the triangle there, and then you've got this one a little bit further back. So hold this one, and then I just pull that forward a little bit, so that they're all lined up. But as you can see, your triangles are all still in alignment. Like I said, you've got both pieces. They're exactly the same. As you can see, we've done exactly the same this side as we did the other. No changes whatsoever. Now, do go carefully with your steps until you get the hang of it, and you'll get better results. And we're going to start from above. 1, 2, 3. And the fourth one from above. We want to be going through the triangle this side. And we want to be going through that triangle point this side. Same again here. Over for 1, 2, 3, 4. And we've got 1, 2, 1, 2, and in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In, across, 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 out. So in, across, over, across, out. And we're going to repeat it exactly the same pattern on the other side. These steps are really important, and stitch placement's really vital to getting the look of the bow right. So do pay attention, and if I make any changes in technique, like on the smaller sizes or the bigger sizes, I always put that in the comments as well. So in 1, 2, 4 through all those triangle points. Your first one this side. In through all your triangles that side. 2, 3, 4, and again you start in, you come out. And again 1, 2, 1, 2, in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8 stitches on each side. You can move your clip out your way once you're happy with everything. And then you can cinch. And I reline it up the other side. I'm just going to take my thread. Watch your fingers. And pop through the other side. Now if you're more comfortable, you can make it in 2 pieces and glue. It's entirely up to you. I just prefer this method. But like I said, play around and work out what works best for you. So around my won't go. And then just line up my creases and make sure it's all balanced. Now it does look a bit messy in the centre. Don't worry too much about this because we're going to tidy that up in a minute. And I'm just going to stitch off in the back. However you personally prefer. There we go. Move that out of the way. Take your pins out now. And here we go. So you've got your curves here, which are nice. And this is what your layers look like. And this is what the back of the bow will look like. So there you go. And we can add our clip and a centre, and we're all sorted. Just remember to go slow with your steps, and it's not as complicated as it looks. Got some matching 9mm to wrap it. Heat seal that as well. Brush of glue here. Open that clip now it's settled. Pop that on. Wrap this around nice and tight. What I like to do on this one is I put a touch of glue around the first wrap. Press that down nice and tight, because again it helps you hide the mess of your stitches. Around once. Make sure you go straight back over the original layer. Cut that off. heat seal again, some glue there. Okay, get rid of your glue stringers if you've got any like me. And then what I like to do is I like to just give it a little fluff up to give it more of a interesting look. And then I've got a piece of 1 inch ribbon, and this is just about 5 or 6 centimeters. You don't need much. And we're going to just do a scrunch mini center to finish the bow off, just to give it a little bit more interest in the middle. And also, if your stitches have gone a little bit further here, this will hide any extra mess as well. Pinch this side. Watch fingers. I just saw, set fire to my ribbon. So you'll have a dip this side and a dip that side. And then you glue one of the flat sides. There we go. Open up our clip again. And then we twist that over and glue on the flat side this side. Reopen the clip, pop that in, and there we go. And if you did have any visible stitches, that would all be gone with that as well. And there's your super cute folded bow. Thanks for watching. Bye.